Hello guys, welcome back. So, if your comfort zone heater keeps shutting off again and again, it can be really annoying, especially when you expect steady heat, but the unit stops after just a few minutes. This kind of behavior often makes people think the heater is faulty, but in reality, it's usually a safety feature being triggered. These heaters are designed to automatically shut down if they detect overheating, restricted airflow, or unstable placement. Even small issues like dust buildup or placing the heater too close to objects can cause repeated shutdowns. The important thing is to identify what's triggering the safety system and fix it step by step. Once you address the cause, your heater should run smoothly without interruptions. So, guys, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix this issue and keep your comfort zone heater running properly. Dry these. Step 1. Plug the heater into a stable and direct power outlet. Step 2. Ensure there is enough space around the heater for airflow. Step 3. Clean the air vents to remove dust and blockage. Step 4. Turn off the heater and allow it to cool down fully. Step 5. Place the heater on a flat and stable surface. Step 6. Turn it back on and check if it runs continuously.